everybody, it's Julia Amarisa. Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Julia Amarisa. So today I'm going to be unboxing Dream pair of shoes. So let's get on to the video. So Dream Pairs was kind enough to send me 2 shoes to unbox. So Dream Pairs has a variety of shoes. They have men, kids, and women. They have wedges, heels, sneakers, and more. Dream Pairs is the #1 seller shoe brand on Amazon. They're super affordable, trendy, and go with any outfit. So first I'm going to unbox them and then I'm going to show you how I style them. So here's the box that it came in, and here is the website. And it's also for boys and girls. They are tennis, running shoes, sport sneakers. So now I'm going to unbox it. So here's the shoe. It's all white and it has a strap right here that says Dream Pairs. And in the inside, it's memory foam, and I like these because they're chunky and they're also really trendy right now. I like these because you can pair it with anything, like you can pair these with joggers, a skirt, a dress, basically anything. And they're very easy to put on when you're in a rush. So here is the box. It is all pink and it says Dream Pairs, and it is Sweetie 2 all black. So it has rhinestone studs and glitter right here. It also has like a little cross right here, and it is 1.5 inches of the heel. So in the back it also has glitter right here, and it has a zipper, very easy to open. And in the back it has a velvet leaf with a little heart right here. And over on the bottom side, it has like a little rose and with gems right here. And there is no glue, and it looks well made. So in the inside, it is silver, and it says Dream Pairs right here, and it is also squishy. It also came with some extra rhinestones. So now I'm going to show you how I style them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this with a friend, and remember to be unkind to people. Bye!